Okay, we're here this afternoon with Andrew Cridland, a senior executive within RPS Australia on the East Coast, and we're having a talk to him about his business and SIBO. Andrew, thanks very much for letting me come and talk to you today. Can we start perhaps with talking a little bit about you and how you got into where you are now and where you've come from in the past?
Well, to start with, where I started, Jack, was 1991 I joined Pike Mills McNulty as a surveyor. Well, I actually started as a chainman and I was painting pegs out in the back shed, and the staff numbers then were probably about no more than 30. My father, who was a surveyor and registrar of titles at the time, recommended Pike Mills to me as a progressive company, and over the years it has been quite progressive, and in 2005 merged with CMB. We became Connex, and then in 2009 we merged with RPS, which is a global sort of international consultancy listed on the London Stock Exchange, and the staff numbers now are around 4,500 worldwide. Myself, I'm still maintain my role within surveying, and with a double over in Papua New Guinea for about 3 years, but I now play a sort of senior client manager role within RPS in our Brisbane office, but also have a focus on business development across the east coast of the business in survey.
So what made you become a surveyor in the first place?
Well, initially, because my father was a surveyor, I didn't want to be a surveyor, so I dead set wasn't going to go down that path. But you know, at school I was still pondering what I wanted to be, and you know, it wasn't easy, and I eventually had a look at what surveying had to offer, and some of my two strengths were mathematics, and I also liked the idea of working outdoors. So combine that with surveying, it was seemed the right course of action. And at various stages you could say I made the right decision, at various stages I made the wrong decisions. But I'm happy where I've travelled so far.